اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are taking practice set 5.3, your textbook page number 122. Question is, write sample space S and number of sample points n of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C. Sum number 4 is two-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition of digits. Condition for event A is the number form is even. Condition for event B is the number form is divisible by 3, and condition for event C is the number form is greater than 50. See, we have here 6 total digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And from these 6 digits, we have to make 2-digit numbers without any repetition. Without repetition means here 1 1 11 not acceptable, 2 2 22, 3 3 33. So likewise we have to avoid the repetition of same digit in the same number. Okay. So say when 2-digit numbers are formed from the digits, when 2-digit numbers are formed from the digit, 2-digit numbers are formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition. Say without repetition. Now write therefore. See how to make 2-digit numbers in that sample space. Total outcomes here 1 0 10, first number 1 0 10, second 1 2 12, 1 3 13, then 1 4 14 and 1 5 15. Likewise 1 4 14, 1 5 15. Now we are taking 2, so 2 0 20, say 2 0 20, 2 1 21, 2 3 23, 2 4 24 and 2 5 25. Next is 3 0 30. So write 3 0 30, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 4 34 and 3 5 35. Next now we are starting from 4. 4 0 40, 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43 and 4 5 45. Next is with 5. 5 0 50, 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54. Yes, it is the last 5 4 54. So bracket complete. How many numbers we have formed without any repetition? Count that numbers. Say n of s is equal to, n of s means number of sample points in that sample space. It means number of outcomes, number of possible outcomes when you will form 2-digit number from the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without any repetition. Sometimes it is asked to make the number with repetition. So in that case, you can write 1, 1, 11, 2, 2, 22, 3, 3, 33, 4, 4, 44 and 5, 5, 55. Okay. But here in this question, it is mentioned that without any repetition, you have to frame or you have to form 2-digit number from this given digit. See, n of s is equal to, numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. How many total points are there in that sample space? 25 numbers, means 25 outcomes are there in that sample space. Okay. Now we'll write event A, B and C one by one. The instruction in the formation of event A is, there must be at least one, the number formed is even. Okay. So in that event A, the condition is the number formed is even number, means all the even numbers. Here we have to write from the sample space. In that A event, say A is the event of getting even number. A is the event of getting even number. Here which are the even numbers? Say the number, means in this 2-digit number, if in the unit place either 0, 2, 4 are there, then that numbers are called as even numbers. So in the unit place, if 0, 2 and 4 are there, here 0, 2 and 4 are the even digits in this total 6 digit. So here in this 2-digit number, the number in which in the unit place either 0, 2, 4 or 0, 2 and 4, 6 is not there, are there, then that numbers we have to consider in this A event. So write, therefore A is the event of. So one by one we will write all even numbers. So here 10 and 12 will come. So 10, 12, because even digit is there in the unit place. Next 14, after 14, 20 is there, after 20, 24 is there, then next is 30, then 32, 34, then 40, 42, 50, 52 and 54. So write 50, 52 and 54, bracket complete. So these are the 2-digit numbers which are even numbers. So how many numbers are there? See, count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So how many points are there in A event? N of A is equal to 13. Understood? There are 13 even numbers in this sample space which are there in event A. Okay. Now we will write B event. The condition for B event is the number formed is divisible by 3. Okay. So you write B is the event of getting number divisible by 3. Right. B is the event of getting number divisible by 3. Okay. So here we have to use test of divisibility of 3. What is the test of divisibility of 3? Say here, for checking whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, we have to take the sum of digits of that number, and if sum of digit of any number is from 3 times table, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. For example, here See from this sample space. For example, here 1 plus 2 3, and 3 is from 3 times table, means it is divisible by 3. Okay. Then next is 1 5, means 1 plus 5 6, and 6 is also coming in 3 times table. Then 2 1 21, 2 4 24. How? 2 plus 4 6. Then 3 plus 0 3, it is also divisible by 3. Then here 4 and 2, 4 2 6, divisible by 3 42. Then 4 5 9, it is also divisible by 3. Here 5 1 51, sum is 6, so divisible by 3. And last is 5 4, means 54, the sum is 9, so it is also divisible by 3. Understood? So these numbers we will write one by one in this B event. So write therefore B is the event of first number which I said 12, after 12 1 5 15, now 2 1 21, 2 4 24, 3 0 30. Then next is 4 2 42, 4 5 45 because sum is 9. Then 5 1 51 because sum is 6, and 5 4 54 because sum is 9. Okay. So how many numbers are there, or how many points are there in that B event? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, means 9 numbers or 9 possibilities are there, or we can say there are 9 numbers in that sample space which are divisible by 3. Okay. Now the next event is C event. The condition is the number form is greater than 50. Very easy. Which numbers are greater than 50? After 50 here, 51, 52, 53 and 54. So write C is the event of getting number greater than 50. C is the event. C is the event of getting number greater than 50. Greater than 50. Okay. Comma give. Right. Here C is a event of, in the set form we have to write greater numbers are 51, 52, 53 and 54. So write 51, 52, 53 and 54. Now count these numbers. How many numbers are there? Say n of C is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 numbers are there in that sample space which are greater than 50. Okay. See one more time. So read this question carefully, because sometimes it is asked to form any 2-digit number with repetition. So read it carefully. Either it is without repetition or with repetition. If it is without repetition, then you don't have to repeat 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. But if it is mentioned in the question that with repetition, then you will have to write all the numbers, means 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55 also. Okay. Rest thing is very easy. Sometimes it is asked to write the numbers in any particular event which are divisible by 6 or divisible by 5, or the sum of the number is also asked which is greater than that particular number. Okay. So you can write it easily. So you should know about the prime number, composite number, even number, odd number and test of divisibility of few numbers only, 2, 3, 5 and sometimes 6. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask or write in the comment